breaking my back just to hold you. With all of this pain that I go through, but it's alright, it's okay. Take my heart and walk away. Waste my time and I'll be fine if I don't look down. Could you give me higher? Oh, could you give me higher? Oh, yeah. 'Cause it's been a long time since you've been on my brain. Tell me where do you go? Where did everything change? You give me higher. Oh, could never understand all the things you do. Never been a fan of the way you move. Wasting my time, put it all on you. It's all you, but it's alright, it's okay. Take my heart and walk away. Waste my time and I'll be fine if I don't look down. Could you give me higher? Oh, could you give me higher? Oh, yeah. 'Cause it's been a long time since you've been on my brain. Tell me where do you go? Where did everything change? You give me
Anything from the trolley, dears? First day of the Num Num Trail. It's gonna be an awesome day. Super chill hike. We had an awesome place to stay last night. Abandoned train, as you can see. And all the places on the Num Num Trail are like this. Really luxurious hike compared to what we're used to. And everyone's got their packs up and we're ready to go. So it's gonna be an awesome day.
I got stuck in your act. I got stuck in your act. I got stuck in your act. I think I'm losing my way. My mind is driving insane. I think I'm losing my way. My mind is driving insane. I got stuck in your echo. 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 I got stuck in your echo.
Let me down easy, for your love for me is gone. Let me down easy, since you feel to stay here alone. I know it's all over, but the last goodbye. Oh, let me down easy. Let me down easy. Let me down easy. Let me down easy. Let me down easy.
This is day 3 of the Num Num Trail.